Hello everyone, Sam here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this new video again after a day. In the last video, I mentioned that the pound index and pound trades. So let's and then I mentioned that I made a chart where the pound index is gonna go up, pound's gonna get strong, and all pound pair would be going up. And I made the chart and I gave it to my subscribers to take the trades. So I'm gonna show you that, right? And I said I'm going to be taking longs in pound pairs, and I will show you my trades later on. So here I am. So let's get started here. So the story began from here on the 24th July, and this June, 24th June, right? And I made this chart, Elliott wave, Herman pattern, blah, blah, blah. And then I said from there, from wave 4, we're going to be coming down here for wave 5. And doing so, if this drop, all pound pairs will go down except EG. So I traded all pound pairs to the downside until we get to this, right? And then in the last video, I showed you this chart and I said that I made another chart because this story ended here. And now we're going to bounce and go up, right? And pound is going to get strong, and pound pairs will be going up, and I will be taking the trades and show you later on. So here we are with this index started to bounce and it went up here. Let me show it to you. And then what I did with that, the trades, the long I supposed to take, here they are. Okay, this is the chart I made actually on the 29th, that from here is going to go up here for wave A. Okay, and then wave B, wave C comes along, but first thing first, we need to get to A, right around here. So, and then doing so, pound is going to get strong and give me long in all pound pairs, starting from here. On the next day, on the June 30, pound yen 7-minute entry here, it goes up, gave me a beautiful buy the book entry. This is another entry, this is another entry, this is another entry, right? All of these all the way to the upside, 140 pip from here to here. Pound yen. Then pound USD, same thing, went up, beautiful entry here, gone with the wind, 80 pip here, right? That's on the 30th. There are other pairs that all went up there, but I had only these two, to be honest with you. Now, on the 1st of July, which was yesterday, right now it's 3 a.m. July the 2nd, but yesterday I had this pound Aussie going to the upside, pound USD for 80 pip, then pound Aussie for 70 pip. How much was pound Aussie? I mean, yeah, pound Aussie was for 110, right? This is yesterday on July 1st. All went up, all pound pairs. USD went up 80 pip, nice and clean. Pound Aussie again went up 70 pip. And also pound yen went up again. And this is another entry after retracing. And then this is July 1st. Again, look at the same scenario, same entry again and again. And this is all the way up again for 60 pip. Here from here to here. So this is what happened on July 1st. There was another pair, pound pair, which I was like very strongly. I even posted on my Telegram channel. Let me show it to you where here, right? Not even here. Yeah. This one. Okay, here. See this one here? This one says that, look, I said this is X, A, B, C, D. We're supposed to go here. But see this yellow count, X, A, B, C, D is the bad pattern is completed here. You're supposed to bounce from here and go there. And then guess what? I forgot about this chart myself. Haha. So that happens, right? So what happened? Look, this was the chart. I posted there, right? I said, well, this thing is going to go up there. And I even wrote in the under the chart that this is what I call playing with fib and patterns, bat within bat, right? So you just play around and come up with something, right? So playing around bat, and I found another bat cooking inside, and then I said maybe from here to here, and you know where this chart is now? Here, exactly from there it made the turn, and 200 pip it went up all the way from 67.96 to 69.83. and I didn't trade it. How good is that, right? So, all right. So that's what happened. You know, sometimes that's no big deal. So old age, right, gets you. So, but it was a very nice move. And then the pound cat. So idea is that I traded pound yen, pound Aussie, pound USD, and pound Aussie. I missed pound cat. That's it, right? But it went up very nicely. Beautiful trade, beautiful upside. So this is it. And now, what happened to this chart finally? Um, uh, where it is all up there where let me see, where is that chart there? Okay, the final chart I'm missing here, that I'm going to show it to you. I'll pull it up right now. It is pound after this is where A is right here. You see this? It ended here all the way to the upside where I said that it's going to go up, right? So it's there, and now it's going to go, and I already made a chart that now is going to go down to wave B, where, how much, how long, and then all pound pair is going to be dropping, and we're going to take short from now on, and all of that. If we find these setups, okay, for some reason it can go up all the way to the upside, right? The idea is that you anticipate that, like here, I was expecting that it's going to go up. When it start to go up, I started seeing the bullish setups in my pairs, and I start taking them. Simple as that. Now, if the same thing happens here, if it start dropping and go below 53.29, and then I will start seeing my short setup. If it would not drop, then I will never see short setup, and I cannot go wrong because I'm not taking the wrong setup. And then in the volume time, instead of going down, if it start to go up, will go up, just like pound yen today. I had another long pound yen, even up here. I had a 40 pip. I cashed out, and I'm looking that, seeing that we might just drop and go the other way. But yeah, I already did on the 2nd July, pound yen first trade, 40 pip, only 40 pip, because I already, cash out a lot, 160 pip, and the other one for 140. So pound yen alone, going to the upside for wave A from here to here, I have 200 pip from pound yen alone. So now another 40 pip today, right? So 240 pip. So let's see if it drops, right? So this is how it is, systematic, step by step. You go in and take all these trades, and which one is this chart? Okay, this is the one. Yeah, okay. So this is the one I just showed you. So all these trades. This is it. This is I want to just show you, and if you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system, start learning, go to my website. It's myforex.com. Subscribe and start trading. All right. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week.